Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today will be like setting up a local Kubernetes cluster, basically, let's say for our development purpose. So for that, we'll be using a k3d cluster, which is provided by Rancher. So what are we gonna do today is like we'll be installing Docker with the proper permissions, then the dependencies like curl and kubectl, and then post that we'll be watching up like doing the single node k3d installation as well as the multi-node k3 cluster setup. So yeah, let's begin. Yeah, so we'll do a Google search like on how to install k3d. We'll be going using the official documentation, and as I was mentioning, it was created by Rancher. So yeah, let's see. These are the basic requirements: Docker and kubectl. So for Docker, like this is the official documentation, we can go with it, as well as like we can directly just do a update once and post this. We can directly run the docker command, and like in Ubuntu 22 we will be getting up the uh, command on how to install this docker. So yeah, here it is: sudo apt install docker.io. So I'll be running this. Oh yeah. Like, let's wait for docker to get installed. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we are getting this permission denied error, right? So this is what I was mentioning about that proper permission. So let's search for it. So okay, how to fix this issue, right? So these are the commands. So we need to add this Docker group if it doesn't exist. Let's run. Okay, this already exists, right? Now we need to add our own user to the Docker group. And then we just need to restart once. Be doing a sudo reboot. Yeah. So like I was SSH into a separate VM itself. So yeah, let's wait for it to come up. For checking that, we can do a ping to the specific IP address. So yeah, the ping is working now. This means this VM is up. So now we can SSH. Yeah, I'm done it. Okay, now Docker command is working. Now let's proceed further. Okay, next kubectl. Okay, let's install it on Linux. Okay, these are the commands. I'll be using this curl. So for that we need to install curl as well. Suppose these all are the steps. Okay, let us begin. First, let me install curl. Yes. In this video, basically, I'm showing you like how to go Google search and do everything from scratch. Basically, if you are a noob. Okay. So yeah, I've downloaded the kubectl and again just installing it in the user local bin. Let's validate. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, now let's proceed to install the k3d. I'll be using the curl command to install it. Yeah, and let's wait. Yeah, it says it installed into user local bin k3d. Yeah, that's working, right? Since I'm getting the output. So we can run now this cluster create command to create a single node k3d cluster. So this k3d basically can be useful in like setting up a local environment where we can like set up our development, do our development basically, and furthermore things, whatever we are required, basically testing out or doing any new like uh, feature test or whatever we know. Okay, looks like this cluster is accessible now. Yeah, let's see if the pods are coming up. Okay, will take some time. Wait for them to come up for a while. You can put a hyphen W or a watch in the initial to get the current status of the pods basically on live. Yeah, let's wait, like almost all of them are up. Yeah, yeah, all of them are running now. So this is what like we created in single node cluster, right? For creating a multi-node cluster, we just need to pass a new parameter called hyphen agents, and we pass the count of the worker nodes basically here. So yeah, it's showing like starting node, the server 0, and these three the multi-node agents. Basically, these are the worker nodes. Additionally, one server LB it installs where like it uses it for the network purposes. I'll tell you about this later. Okay, yeah, the cluster is accessible, right? So this is all we wanted to do for this video.